I was between Turkey and here, which were kind of my two price points and where I wanted to go. I chose India. I think I saved at least $19,000 just for my procedure alone, including flight. Coming to India, the facility is extremely clean. That was one of my biggest deciding factors. No pain whatsoever. The procedure went fantastic. Hey, I'm Sukhchan. I'm from the United States. I just got a hair transplant here at Divine Cosmetics. I've kind of suffered from a receding hairline and hair thinning, something I've kind of been trying to work on myself, but I was like, time to take the plunge. Came here and had a great experience. No pain whatsoever. They were very communicative prior, during, and even after. I was able to message somebody and get a response within 5 to 10 minutes every time, which was a huge plus for me. The facilities are extremely clean. I was between Turkey and here, which were kind of my two price points and where I wanted to go. I chose India just because I have family here. I was able to make a trip out of it, and they gave me a lot of confidence the whole way through. The facility is extremely clean. That was one of my biggest deciding factors, and obviously price point as well. I think I saved at least $19,000 just for my procedure alone, including flight coming to India. So I highly recommend it. Again, no pain whatsoever. The procedure went fantastic. It was 8 hours, and the whole time they were very talkative, kept me engaged, and I was able to feel heard the whole time. They even allowed for breaks if I needed. The whole time, the whole team was very professional, and I was able to communicate with the doctor what my concerns were, and they relieved every single one of those. Highly recommend Divine Cosmetics. The doctor, fantastic. He was very courteous. He heard my concerns. Dr. Amit was very great, gracious. He was extremely knowledgeable and heard what I wanted and worked around that. I told him my concerns of not wanting a artificial hairline. He made it very clear that it would be natural for my age and perspective. Very knowledgeable. It's, I think, 23 years of experience plus, and it really shows. And he had very gentle hands as well. Thank you.